Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to unlock the secrets of successful grant writing as Devine Jamz Gospel Network presents the electrifying Freelance Associates Grant Writing Webinar. This exhilarating event is brought to you by the esteemed grant writer and visionary Dr. Eunice Moseley. Join us on Saturday, June 3rd from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for an unforgettable virtual experience that will revolutionize your grant writing skills.
Wow, tell me more.
This cutting-edge webinar will be hosted online, allowing participants from all corners of the globe to tap into the expertise of Dr. Moseley. To secure your spot, simply visit eventbrite.com and search for the thrilling Freelance Associates Grant Writing Webinar. Don't miss out on the extraordinary opportunity to take grant writing prowess to new heights.
What can we expect?
Prepare to be captivated as Dr. Moseley, renowned grant writer and former executive director of the Pollution and Recycling Control Center, takes you on a journey of discovery.
Dr. Moseley sounds like she know her stuff.
With 5 years of invaluable experience as a 501c3 executive director and her current role as a grant writer for the esteemed More Than a Fraction Foundation and executive director of the Uplifting Minds Foundation, Dr. Moseley brings unparalleled wisdom and expertise to the table.
Well, go ahead, sister. That's what I'm talking about.
This virtual extravaganza is an online adaptation of the immensely popular Freelance Associates Grant Writing Workshop, which is held monthly in Baltimore, Maryland.
Yo, this sounds cool.
During the webinar, you'll receive step-by-step instructions on crafting compelling grant proposal, gain insights into identifying lucrative funding opportunities, and even receive a ready-to-use grant writing template. Dr. Moseley has thought of everything, ensuring that you only need to input your unique data to create an impressive proposal.
I'm in.
In celebration of Freelance Associates' 30 years of excellence in providing businesses with strategies and services to launch, grow, or enhance their ventures, they've launched an exclusive series of webinars on the Post of Entertainment website. Spearheaded by the brilliant Dr. Eunice Moseley, this event promised to be an awe-inspiring showcase of her unrivaled knowledge. Be prepared for an unforgettable experience as Dr. Moseley will be present during the live airing of the webinar, eagerly answering your questions and generously providing all attendees with the esteemed Freelance Associates Grant Writing Proposal Package. This incredible package includes comprehensive instructions and a meticulous crafted grant proposal template that will empower you to shine in the world of grant writing.
What if I have questions?
For questions or further information, visit the Eventbrite page for this event and utilize the Contact Organizer button to get in touch with one of our friendly representatives. Remember, spaces are limited, so don't delay in securing your space at the Freelance Associates Grant Writing Webinar, the pinnacle of grant writing excellence. Join us on June 3rd for an exhilarating virtual experience that will revolutionize your grant writing game. Mark your calendars, spread the word, and get ready to unleash your potential at the Freelance Associates Grant Writing Webinar. This message was brought to you by Devine Jamz Gospel Network.